Hey, what's going on? So today I'm going to show you how I made this YouTube channel art in a free tool called Canva. Alright, so here we are in Canva. This is an easy program that you can sign up and use. And so let's go ahead and get right into it. So you want to come up here in the search bar, you want to type in YouTube channel art. I'm just going to click that right here. And so we have all these options, guys, that you can use. So pick your style for your branding. There is one thing that I'd like to note here, and that is when you start designing your actual YouTube channel, there's some things that you need to take into consideration based on the platform that it'll be viewed on from where people are viewing it. So we have the TV view, we have the desktop view, the tablet view, and then the desktop minimum and mobile views. So these are things to take in consideration as you're designing your YouTube channel art. More than likely you want to have your name or whatever that you really want to show to be in the middle of the screen, as you can see here. So this gray area is the safe area. This is what will always be seen on any platform. If you're on a tablet, then they can see this, and if you're on a desktop, they can see this, which this is more likely what people will see is this full width here. And then TV view actually shows this full screen right in here. So just something to keep in mind as you're designing your YouTube channel art. Okay, so we're here back in Canva. So let's go ahead and I'm gonna show you the one that I clicked on. So I was scrolling down, right here is the one that I picked. Okay, so I really like this aesthetic. It's definitely a manly type style that I was going for. For you could be a female, and you could obviously probably go for more of like a lighter, brighter feel, which seems like a very common trend and theme for the ladies. So, okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just change the name. And I'm gonna call this KG Lee since that's my name. And then down here, I just changed this to business since that's what I'm really interested in. That's what I want to talk about with you guys most of the time. I also like doing design, so I'm gonna put design here. I also talk about that on my channel, and then I'm also gonna put in here create, and that's just showing more of my creative, artistic side that I just really enjoy doing. Okay, so there's the name and the branding that I want, right? Okay, so now what I did here is I went up here, I just got rid of the image. I could leave it like that, which is, I just love this look with the white on the black. It's a really good look, but it doesn't really say much about who I am or what I like. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of that as well. Now I did upload an image that I took with my phone when me and my wife were living in Maui. So here's this image here. This is what we're gonna use. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of that real fast. So what I'm gonna do is click and drag this in right about there, and you see how it just snaps into place. And so this is gonna be the actual image that I use. Now I edited this image on my phone, and this is like the end result, which blows my mind that I took this picture with a phone, I made some adjustments to the colors, and that's what I ended up with. Now the resolution isn't the best with this image. There's a little grain right here. You can see like there's a little pixelation here in the picture, but I'm totally okay with that. I think it just kind of gives it more of a textured look, which I think is pretty cool. Okay, so remember how I was talking about that YouTube is only going to show certain parts of the image, so I kind of want to give you guys an example of what that would mean. So I'm going to click and drag in that same image that we were looking at before. I'm just going to scale it to the same size here, just to show you what is going to be shown with the image that I made. So I'm going to go up here to transparency. I'm just going to drop this so we can kind of see what we're looking at here. Okay, so as you can see that my name and my business design and create is all going to be seen because we're in here in this gray box. I hope you guys can see that right here. And then if you're on desktop, you're going to see all this. You're going to see palm tree, you're going to see the sky, and you're going to see more palm tree. And if you're viewing it from a TV, you're going to see the whole image, right? The only downside about this is you're not going to really see, like I have the island down here and the ocean down here, but really the general message I'm trying to get across is that I love the tropics, I'm inspired by the tropics, and that's what I really want you to see. So you're going to see palm trees and blue, which those are like my favorite color combos of all time. So guys, I hope that helps you out. This is a quick way just to make a YouTube channel art. If you're just getting started and you just want to know how to easily make one, that's where you do it. The other suggestion I would make, if you want to make this more of a personalized YouTube channel, is always have yourself included in the YouTube channel art so people will see you and they know who you are and they'll recognize you if they ever see you again. So guys, with that, have an awesome day and go ahead and start creating those awesome content for your channel.